I'm so grateful for your question and picking up on that, on the five hearts. I speak of that as our heart of hearts, where all hearts are one. And our journey is to bring all back into one heart. We kind of separate and disconnect. We have our emotions over there and our physical. So bringing all back into our heart of hearts. Now, the heart of hearts has different names. It is our heart of hearts, heart of our soul. It is our cosmic heart. That's another name. And I kind of interchange, my cosmic heart. And it is our crystal heart, our crystal heart of hearts, because we are at the purest essence of our nature. We are crystalline beings. We are of creation. We are crystalline beings made of matter. And we're also made of the matter of the earth. But in our purest essence, it has been spoken, remember, you are of the earth, but not from the earth. So as our origins, as we come from the cosmic realms and we come here to earth to take on this earthly body for our purpose what we joined Mama for. And, I recently connected sacred helper, not of this realm, this physical realm. Well, of this physical realm, but connected in with all the many dimensions, a divine higher being who said to me that what happened to the people is that their hearts became weak. Our hearts became weak when we forgot who we are as connected and part of all of creation. Our hearts became weak and became sad. We, on some deeper inner level, we knew there's more to me than what I'm feeling, what I'm showing up as, is what I'm experiencing right in this moment. And that yearning to have that reconnection brought back. It's coming from our heart, that yearning, that deep within. And it's our hearts, our wounded hearts, that have those who have gone through the experience of a wounded heart, that we are now restoring and healing our hearts to be reconnected to the heart of the earth, to the heart of the universe, and so on. So I hope that, and in part at least, answers your question. It is our cosmic heart, our heart of hearts, that is the fifth heart, that embraces, embodies all parts, aspects of who we are when we become whole again, when we are restored and our heart is restored.